In this video, I'll share with you the 10 best ways to make money on YouTube this year. I'll tell you what I personally use to monetize my 3 YouTube channels and other social networks. Some of these methods are really unusual and will help you increase your channel income. So make sure to watch the video till the end to get the most value. So the first method is YouTube-owned partner program. You publish videos and ads from different companies and brands are automatically inserted into them. They pay YouTube for their views and YouTube shares that profit with you. That's how you earn from views. To qualify, you need to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the past year on long-form videos. If you are already monetized and want to increase your revenue, you can manually insert more ads in your videos. You can do this in the ad settings of each individual video. The next method is affiliate marketing. For example, I often talk about the gear I use for shooting. This can be gadgets and shooting devices, software, video editors, applications, and so on. I recommend to my viewers the things I personally use and can vouch for. I say you can follow the link, check out the details and specs, and buy it. If viewers purchase a product, service, or software through my link, I earn a commission. This can be quite profitable, and what's great is that you don't need YouTube monetization for this. You don't need 1000 subscribers or 4000 watch hours, you just need an audience that watches your videos, and that way you can earn even if you are just started your channel. The next method is direct advertising. In this case, you are not promoting a product via an affiliate link. Companies contact you directly and ask for a review of a program, service, gadget, technical devices, home appliance, and so on. It could be a brand integration, a short mention in your longer video, or a full review. Companies often reach out to me for reviews of a software or devices. Sometimes I charge money for it, sometimes I keep the device after the review or get access to a paid plan if it's a digital product. For companies to start reaching out to you, you need an audience. This usually happens once you hit 5000 or 10,000 subscribers, but even with a smaller audience, you can work with brands. You just need to take the initiative. Find websites of companies related to your channel topic, email them, tell them about yourself, include your subscriber and view statistics, and offer them a collaboration. Basically, initiate the communications yourself. The next method of monetization is quite unusual – selling your video clips on stock video platforms. Stock video sites are special platforms where you can upload short clip from your videos and others can purchase them. For example, if you are a travel vlogger and you shoot beautiful footage, maybe with a drone or just from the ground, you likely have lots of great visuals with value. This short 15 seconds clip can be uploaded to stock platforms and sold there. They are usually purchased by companies for their own advertising, news, or educational videos. Rather than traveling to a location themselves, they buy your footage instead. For example, if they need a drone flyover, they will just buy it from the platform, no need to invest time and resources into the trip. So in addition to uploading your travel content to your YouTube channel, you can monetize your videos through stock platforms. And it doesn't have to be travel, it could be food prep, crafting, or even videos of yourself. I sell some of my own clips from this channel on stock platforms too. I will leave links to the sites I personally use in the description. The next monetization method for YouTube channels is sponsorships, donations, and subscription-based communities. YouTube allows you, loyal viewers, to support you directly on the platform by becoming sponsors or sending your donations. In return, you give them access to exclusive content, early access to videos, behind the scenes, and more. Stuff that's not normally available to the public. This feature is built into YouTube, but there is also services like Boosty, Patreon, and others that give you more flexibility in work with your supporters. You can also create a private group on Facebook or another social platform where only you and your most dedicated fans or clients communicate. There you can also share exclusive, valuable content that you don't post anywhere else, give personal advice, teach, review participants' work, etc. In this case, when the private group is more for education, you don't need hardcore fans, just people who need useful information from you. What's great about this model is that the income is predictable. For example, if you have 100 people subscribed to your private chat and they pay every month, the chance they will all leave at once are very low, so you can always count on a steady income. The next method is earning money from your services and consultations. Say you are an expert, freelancer, or specialist. You create educational, informational, or motivational videos for your audience and offer to work with them more closely through one-on-one consultations, group coaching, mentorship, and so on. The next monetization method is selling your digital products. For example, I have overlays for editing vertical videos, a set of 5 special files that help you understand where likes, comments, video titles, and music tracks names are placed while editing reels or shorts. They show you the interface layout so you can place elements more accurately in the frame. I also have an equipment selection guide, a PDF where I talk about gear sets for different goals, budgets, and skill levels, from beginners to advanced. I made these digital products once and they continue to sell. If you are a content creator, a photographer, videographer, designer, or musician, maybe you have presets, settings, actions, filters, LUTs, blueprints, templates, ebooks, PDF guides, cooking recipes, etc. You can sell those too through your YouTube channel. The next monetization method is selling your physical products. If you make something in the real world, you can sell it through your YouTube channel. For example, many people craft things by hand. They work with wood, build furniture, make handmade candles or soap, sew clothing and accessories, or create edible products like cupcakes or chocolates. You can promote all of that through your YouTube channel as well. The next monetization method is my personal favorite, selling online courses. I've been doing this for quite a while. I have courses on running YouTube channel, video shooting, editing, and various other trainings, and I use my YouTube channel to attract students to these programs. You can do the same, create your own educational courses and sell them through your YouTube channel. Why is this my favorite? Because it works long term. You create a course once and it can earn your money for a long time. Of course, you will eventually update and improve it, but overall you have a ready-made product that stays relevant for a while. And the final monetization method is, of course, combining everything. It's a mix of all the methods. If you already have a YouTube channel, it would be unwise to rely on just one way of earning, because if that method disappears or stops working, you'll lose all your income. So it's best to use all the options I mentioned today. I personally use almost everything I've shared here. This way I've diversified my income. If something goes wrong with one source of monetization, I always have backup ways to keep earning through my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to shoot professional videos for YouTube to make even more money, check out this video right here. Go for it and create. See you soon.